In this video, I'm going to teach you how to listen to YouTube music on Xbox. So to do that, I have in here this Reddit thread about this particular query. As you can see, it's asking if it have YouTube music on Xbox. Spotify does enough good job, but their playlist is on YouTube music. As you can see right here, this user has been waiting for this option for half a decade, and unfortunately, it doesn't suspect that it will happen. Now, this user believes that YouTube Music is inside the YouTube app on the Xbox. You can see all the playlists, albums, songs through the YouTube app. However, this is deal breaker because no background play though, so you can listen to music while you play a video game. So this is kind of a deal breaker for them. So while there is no YouTube Music directly into your Xbox, you can play it directly into your YouTube app, but no background music for that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.